Day two. The build's supposed to start later today. Temperature is supposed to reach 70, excuse me, temperature is supposed to reach 67 degrees today. And my guys, they're not here yet, but they're supposed to be coming soon. Part two of the demolition of my garden. I'm not sure what I'm going to call this garden because it used to be my man cave. You know what? It's still going to be my man cave, except for the man cave got upgrades, so we're going to do that. Been thinking overnight some of the details of how the garden's going to look. I got a few ideas that's bouncing around in my head from last night. Positioning, what to grow where, protection, how to keep the squirrels out, how to keep the one groundhog on the property all out, and also I have a bunch of moles in the yard, judging by the number of tracks I've been finding. Rabbits, I'm not too concerned with the rabbits. At one time I did see about 6 rabbits at once, but haven't seen any in a while. And there's one cat that walks the neighborhood. There's nothing you can do about keeping cats out. Those things are the agility that they have. I'm not too concerned with the cat. It's a small concern with it digging in the garden bed, but over the years I've been here, I've never seen that. I just usually see the cat looking at rabbits, I guess trying to get at a rabbit. If I can get that cat to hunt moles, that'd be a wonderful thing. But this week, starting today's Thursday, so starting tomorrow in Zone 7, I can start indoor gardening. Have a few things that I can plant tomorrow. Sweet peppers, maybe 1 or 2 tomatoes, variety of tomatoes I can plant tomorrow. Then the week of the 14th, which I think is next Friday. I could be off. But next Friday is official, 6 to 8 weeks before our last frost. And I'm trying to get motivated and pumped up to start planting. I know I need to. I know that there's some excitement in me deep down in here. It's just been such a blah winter. I'm trying to get motivated to do these things that I know I need to do and want to do. So later today, when the guys come, I will show you exactly what they're going to be doing for today, which I believe is carrying away some of these bricks that, well, not bricks, but some of the things that you can see behind me. I'm not sure what you want to call it. Slabs. Let's just call it slabs. They're going to remove that today. I'm hoping that they get here shortly, get here soon, because I'm eager. I'm eager to get this thing going. My goal is to have everything done by April, which is when I can officially start planting outside in Trents. I can start bringing tomato plants outside for a little sun, then back inside. Not sure if I'm going to do that because last year it was so much to move. I may use shade cloth this year to protect it from the sun. That moving 20 tomato plants in and out the house, that just gets old. Even the peppers, I have tons and tons of peppers, so we're not doing that this year. We're gonna operate a little better, more efficient this year. So stay tuned. I'll let you know when the guys get here. Oh yeah. Okay. YouTube, what's going on? I think this is day 3, and the guys have so far jackhammered the asphalt, broke it up into squares or pieces, smaller pieces. And what you see that's left here is pretty much the second layer. I think in total it was 6 inches of asphalt. So they removed the first, looks like 2 to 3 inches. Like I said, day 3, a little bit more to go. After this is up, we will show the guy rototilling the area, prepping it, grading it, because you want it to slant off this way. You don't want that water to go towards the house. And this is going to be my new man cave. And from here, raised bed gardens. I was really thinking cinder block. Not sure at the moment, but so far cinder block garden beds are winning. And that's because I can change them into L shapes to utilize the corners. I could do L-shaped garden beds to utilize that. Like I said before in previous videos, maybe put some trees along this line right here so it won't block any of the plants. But I might do one tree in ground, but the rest in pots, and just have them in here. Fence everything in. 5-foot post, cattle panel, door. Reinforce the cattle panel with chicken wire to keep out the groundhog, unless I capture and relocate the groundhog. That's the plan so far. And also rabbits. I want to keep rabbits out. So this is just a preview of what it looks like. Hopefully the guys will come back today. It's rather nice out here. February 15th. It's about 67 degrees. Earlier today was 69. I am really waiting and anticipating the warm weather, because you know your boy don't like cold, especially when I have fruit trees budding out. Peach tree, I believe that's my Babcock peach that's in the 5-gallon pot. I'm definitely going to graduate that to a bigger pot or in ground. Haven't decided yet. Birds are out. I see flowers over there popping up. Birds are singing a different song. That right there sounds like warm weather, the song they're singing. Also, I noticed the sun has been higher up. It's usually low going across the horizon all the way. It's now a couple of degrees higher. Still haven't decided my actual design of the garden. I do want to put mulch down, but I know I need to put fabric cloth first. And it's a toss-up between wood chips and mulch. The store-bought mulch is really no good for gardening, in my opinion. It's good to walk on. It looks good, but I would not put that stuff in my garden bed because I think it's trash. But this is what we got so far. I'm gonna keep you updated. Out here, yard demolition of the man cave, and we're actually on one side, we're down to the dirt. Guys are looking at possibly tomorrow finishing this portion of removing asphalt, and then after that we're gonna rototiller. I'm gonna see if I can order some soil, maybe some compost mixture, blend it in here, slope it off. We don't want standing water. We don't want water near the house. So we're gonna grade this area. I believe this is day 4. I could be wrong. It could be day 3, but I think it's day 4. keep you updated.